Hi, in this quick video, we will learn to set up maps in CubeWP. Let's go to the WordPress backend, and here we will go to the CubeWP settings, and under CubeWP settings, we will select Google Maps under Map, and then we'll go to Custom Fields and add a new custom field. We'll give it a name called, let's say, Address, and then we'll select the Google Map Address field type. And we will also turn on the archive map option. All right, make sure the post type, associated post type is selected, and then we can go to the post type forms, and here we'll select a post type and then drag a Google field, Google map field, Google address field from the basic custom fields, and then we'll save the form, and then we'll go on the front end and we will go ahead, we will fill out the form, and then we will select the image here in this case, and then we will have the address field where we will type the address. We can even enter the coordinates manually if we need to, and then we'll go and find that field. So we will search, and then we on the archive page we can see the Google Maps. And what we will do is now we will go back to the settings and we will change it to the OpenStreetMap type, and then we'll save and go back to the front end archive and refresh. Now you can see this map is rendered as a OpenStreetMap, and then we will go back and then we can again change it to either Google Map, or there are other options like Mapbox. So as you can see, we have the Google Map again. Thank you so much for watching.